A full day of keto. Keto menu and recipes. What if you didn't have to guess what to eat on keto today? No complicated meal plan. No expensive ingredients. No standing in the kitchen for 2 hours wondering, is this actually keto? Today, I'm going to walk you through a full day of keto eating, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and one emergency option, designed to keep carbs low, hunger calm, and energy steady. And if you're trying to lose weight, restart keto, or break a plateau, this is the kind of simple day that can help you get back in control. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat today. Here's the problem most people face when they start keto. They know they need to cut carbs, but they don't know what a real keto day actually looks like. So they either undereat and feel miserable, or they eat random keto snacks all day and wonder why fat loss stalls. Maybe breakfast is coffee and stress, lunch is whatever is left in the fridge, dinner becomes takeout because the day got busy, and then the thought comes in, I can't do this. But you can. You don't need perfect keto. You need a simple structure: low carbs, enough protein, healthy fats, non-starchy vegetables, meals that keep you full, and a backup plan for busy days. Today's full day of keto is built around that. Before we start, comment below, Keto Day, if you want more full day keto menus like this, and tell me which meal is hardest for you. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, late night cravings, or staying on track when life gets busy? Your answer helps me create more realistic keto videos for real people with real schedules. Now let's build your keto day. Welcome to the channel, where we make keto simple, realistic, and built for real-life weight loss. For today's menu, we're focusing on a beginner-friendly keto structure: very low carb, moderate protein, higher healthy fat, lots of flavor, no complicated cooking. This is not about starving. It's about building meals that help keep blood sugar and insulin stable, so your body can spend more time in fat-burning mode. If you're coming from cereal, sandwich bread, pasta, soda, chips, and desserts, this day will feel different. But different does not mean impossible. Different means your body is learning a new fuel system. So let's start with breakfast. Meal 1. Keto breakfast, egg and avocado breakfast bowl. This breakfast is simple, fast, and satisfying. You'll need 2 eggs, half an avocado, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of olive oil or butter, a sprinkle of sea salt, black pepper, optional, a few slices of cucumber or tomato. Cook the eggs the way you like them, scrambled, fried, or boiled. Then place them in a bowl with avocado, spinach, and a little olive oil or butter. Add sea salt and pepper. That's it. This meal works because eggs give you protein and fat with almost no carbs. Avocado adds healthy fat, fiber, and potassium. Spinach gives you volume and minerals without loading your plate with carbs. And the fat helps you feel satisfied, so you're not looking for snacks 1 hour later. This is the first emotional win of the day. You start your morning calm, not hungry, not deprived, not fighting cravings before noon. If you are practicing intermittent fasting and don't eat breakfast, that's okay. You can use this as your first meal later in the day. Keto should fit your life, not punish you for having a schedule. Optional drink. Keto morning drink. If you want something simple in the morning, choose one of these: black coffee, unsweetened tea, water with electrolytes, sparkling water. If you use cream or butter coffee, keep it controlled. A little fat can help with hunger, but don't turn your drink into a hidden meal unless that is your plan. This is one of the biggest beginner lessons. Liquid calories still count, and too much added fat can slow weight loss if your goal is to burn body fat. So keep your morning drink simple. Meal 2. Keto lunch. Big fat burning salad. Now let's talk lunch. A good keto lunch should do 3 things. Fill your stomach. Support your energy. Keep carbs low. A big salad is perfect for this. You'll need 3 cups of mixed greens or romaine, grilled chicken, tuna, salmon, turkey, or boiled eggs, 2 tablespoons of feta cheese or shredded cheese, a few walnuts or pumpkin seeds, half an avocado, cucumber, a low-carb full-fat dressing. You can make a simple dressing with olive oil, lemon juice or vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Mix everything together, and you have a big, satisfying keto salad. Here's why this works so well. The greens give you volume. The protein keeps you full. The fats from avocado, olive oil, cheese, and nuts help you go longer between meals. That matters because if your goal is weight loss, you don't want to be eating every 2 hours. You want meals that hold you. This salad is not a sad diet salad. It is a I can actually do this salad. And that feeling matters, because the easier your meals are, the more consistent you become. Lunch tip: build a salad that doesn't leave you hungry. A lot of people say, I ate a salad and I was hungry an hour later. That usually happens because the salad had vegetables but not enough protein or fat. A keto salad needs structure. Use this formula. Greens for volume. Protein for strength. Fat for satisfaction. Salt for flavor. Crunch for enjoyment. That crunch could be walnuts, pumpkin seeds, cucumber, or crispy bacon pieces with no added sugar. When a salad is built correctly, it can carry you through the afternoon without cravings. And that's when keto starts feeling easier. Meal 3. Keto dinner. Lemon garlic salmon with roasted vegetables. Dinner should feel like real food. Not a punishment meal. Not a tiny plate that makes you sad. Tonight's dinner is lemon garlic salmon with roasted low-carb vegetables. You'll need 1 salmon fillet, broccoli or Brussels sprouts, zucchini or cauliflower, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper. Optional. Parmesan cheese or fresh herbs. Place the salmon and vegetables on a baking sheet. Drizzle with oil. Add lemon, garlic, salt, and pepper. Bake until the salmon is tender and the vegetables are roasted. This meal gives you protein, healthy fats, and vegetables in one simple plate. Salmon is especially helpful because it naturally contains fat, so you don't need to drown it in extra oil. And roasted vegetables make keto feel warm, comforting, and satisfying. This is important, because if your dinner feels boring, you'll start thinking about snacks. But if your dinner feels complete, cravings lose power. Dinner alternative. If you don't like fish, not everyone loves salmon. That's fine. Swap it with chicken thighs, steak, ground beef patties, turkey burgers, shrimp, pork chops, eggs and avocado. The keto principle stays the same. Protein, low-carb vegetables, healthy fat, low-sugar sauces. You do not need to eat the same meal every day. You just need to understand the pattern. Once you know the pattern, keto becomes flexible. And flexibility is what makes it sustainable. Emergency keto meal. For busy days now, let's add something new that most meal plans forget. The emergency keto meal. Because real life happens. You work late. The kids need something. You're tired. Traffic is bad. Your energy is low. And suddenly takeout sounds very convincing. This is where people fall off. Not because they don't care, but because they didn't have a backup plan. So create one emergency meal you can make in 5 minutes. Here are a few options. Rotisserie chicken with bagged salad and olive oil dressing. Tuna salad lettuce cups. Burger patties with cheese, pickles, and avocado. Eggs with spinach and butter. Deli turkey roll-ups with cucumber and cream cheese. Canned salmon with mayo and celery. Keep one of these ready at all times. This is not just meal prep. This is self-protection. You are protecting your future self from a tired decision. And that is how consistency is built. Keto snack rule. Only if you truly need it. Now let's talk snacks. A lot of people ask, what snacks can I have on keto? But the better question is, do I actually need a snack? If your meals are built correctly, you may not need one. But if you are genuinely hungry, here are simple keto-friendly options. Hard-boiled eggs, cheese slices, olives, celery with cream cheese, cucumber with tuna salad, a small handful of nuts, beef sticks with no added sugar. But be careful. Snacking can easily become grazing. And grazing can keep you stuck. So use snacks like a backup, not a lifestyle. The goal is not to eat keto foods all day. The goal is to become free from needing food all day. What this keto day teaches your body. This full day of eating does more than fill your plate. It teaches your body a different rhythm. You are eating fewer carbs. You are avoiding sugar spikes. You are adding protein. You are using fat for satiety. You are eating vegetables for volume and minerals. You are reducing the need to snack. And over time, this can help your body become better at using fat for fuel. But remember, one keto day is a start, not the finish line. If you eat this way today, you may feel more stable. If you repeat simple days like this, your body gets the message. That is how change happens. Not through one perfect day, through repeatable days. Simple shopping list for today. Here's your quick shopping list. Eggs, avocado, spinach, mixed greens, chicken or tuna, feta cheese, walnuts or pumpkin seeds, olive oil, lemon, salmon, broccoli, zucchini or cauliflower, sea salt, electrolytes if needed. Optional emergency foods. Rotisserie chicken, canned tuna or salmon, bagged salad, burger patties, olives, cheese. You don't need a giant grocery haul. You need reliable foods you can actually use. Now imagine trying keto with no plan. You wake up hungry and grab something random. You skip lunch and then overeat at night. You buy keto snacks but never feel satisfied. You eat too little and feel exhausted. You eat too much added fat and wonder why the scale is stuck. You get busy and order pizza because nothing is ready. Then you tell yourself, I can't stay consistent. But maybe the real problem is not you. Maybe the problem is that you didn't have a simple keto day to follow. Now imagine today instead. You wake up knowing what to eat. Your lunch is filling. Your dinner is easy. Your backup meal is ready. You don't have to rely on willpower at 7 p.m. You don't feel lost. That is what this menu gives you. Clarity. And clarity creates confidence. So here's your action step. Choose one meal from this video and make it today. Just one. Start with breakfast. Or make the big keto salad. Or cook the salmon dinner. Or create your emergency meal. Comment below. I'm eating keto today. And tell me which meal you're going to try first. If you want more full-day keto menus, simple recipes, grocery lists, and realistic weight loss strategies, subscribe to the channel and hit like so this video can reach someone who feels overwhelmed and needs a simple place to start. Remember, keto does not have to be complicated. A good keto day is simple. Protein, low-carb vegetables, healthy fats, low sugar, real meals. A backup plan. Eat this today, repeat what works, and let simple consistency do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video on your screen if you want to learn how to start keto correctly for beginners. I'll see you in the next one.